the breaking news that's coming in regarding the NEET row that has erupted. The government has now come out with a clarification saying the problem is limited to only 6 centres. The integrity of the examination has not been compromised. In fact, the government has also said that the exam has been transparent. There was no paper leak. Now, is the government downplaying the NEET furor? Well, clearly the clarification seems to suggest so. The government also saying that out of 24 lakh students who gave this examination, only 1,600 have faced the issues that students are complaining about. So remember this, lots of discrepancies have been reported regarding the NEET examination, as well as paper leak allegations have been made. The government now clarifying that there is a problem, but it's only limited to 6 centres. Listen in.
तो इसमें जो ये इशू आ रहा है, इसका हम लोगों ने पूरा एक कमेटी बना के एक्सपर्ट का एनालाइज किया और उनके ग्रीवांसेस एड्रेस किए कि जिससे जो 23 लाख कैंडिडेट्स हैं उनका भी इशू ना हो और जो इतने कैंडिडेट्स हैं उनके भी इशू ना हो। बट टू अले द फियर अगेन कि इसमें किसी को भी वो ना हो, तो एनटीए हैज़ डिसाइडेड कि जो एक हमने ग्रीवांस रिड्रेसल कमेटी बनाई थी, उसने जो रिकमेंडेशंस दी थी उनको जो है एक हाई पावर्ड कमेटी एनालाइज कर ले। तो एक हमने कमेटी बनाई है, उस कमेटी की वो कमेटी इनको एक बार फिर से देख लेगी कि जो इनके ग्रीवांसेस थे 1,600 कैंडिडेट्स के, उनके भी ग्रीवांसेस ना रहें, और जो 23 लाख लोगों के मन में हैं कि काफ़ी सारे टॉपर्स आ गए, ये आ गए, तो इनके भी इशूज वो ना हों। तो इस तरीके का निर्णय एक हम लोगों ने लिया है। met and they perused all the details of the centers, of the CCTV, and they found that sometime center wise there is a different time was lost. So the committee thought this is the way we can address the grievances. So during this grievances their marks have been increased. So the integrity, etc., of this exam throughout the country was not compromised. The question paper in social media was, I think, around 4:28, 4:29 p.m. after the start of 2 hours, 28 minutes later. So we said that there is no paper leak.
Let me go across to my colleague Varshini for more on this. Varshini, the NTA DG is saying that the problem is only limited to 6 centres and that the exam has not been compromised this year. But any response from the student body yet regarding this?
Well, if you see, the students from several parts of Tamil Nadu have also accused of certain students getting, grace marks for several reasons. And that is the issue that the students are facing right now. But as far as political parties are concerned, both the DMK and the AIADMK of the state are definitely taking this issue up because Tamil Nadu has been a state that has been fighting against the NEET examination for a really long time. In fact, it was one of the important poll promises that DMK made before coming to power. And you can see the Chief Minister M.K. Stalin's tweet once again where he's speaking about how this is anti-poor, anti-social justice, and that is why Tamil Nadu is demanding for an exemption from the NEET examination. And politically, on one side, we are able to see these kind of allegations being raised by the DMK and the AIADMK. But on the other hand, the students who are complaining of, certain students getting grace marks because of delay and time differences in certain examination centers and paper leak is also happening, and that is what we are able to pick up from the ground right now.